Hi there, welcome to the second part of the DIY wall insulation project. As I said before, it's a wooden frame building. That's actually quite advantageous so that we can screw the battens on to the wood. We've got 80mm long zinc coated posi-dry screws. It's on the outside, so zinc coated, they won't rust. We've got 12mm by 32 battens. I've got 4 of them on. These battens, the 4 of them cost £27, which seems quite expensive. 2.1 metres long. So what I've actually done is just put them in the middle a bit so that it mechanically secures the polystyrene panels to the wooden structure, and it's mechanically secure. What I may well do at the end there is actually add a wooden trim down it. And what I'll do, there's one bit to go which will tuck under this plastic cover on the roof, and if there's any encouragement needed for this bit up here, then we'll just no more nails it on. What we want to do is just make sure continually that the battens are straight, the panels are straight on. This took about 2.5 hours today. Previous time the polystyrene panels have been PVA'd and kiln dried, coated, and we'll leave that for at least a day to dry. We can actually see that panel and these panels are actually different colours because they use different manufacturers' bags of kiln sand. It's not going to be a problem, so to keep in with the other part of the building, I'm actually going to masonry paint it as well. It's not necessary to masonry paint to weatherproof it, but to keep it in colour coordination with the other parts of the building, I will masonry paint it. So you just got to make sure that it's level. Any doubt, you just got to make sure it's level, and we're just going to screw this final one in place. So these zinc posi screws are 80mm long. That's actually not necessary to get straight in to the wooden frame, but it was the screws I actually had to hand. You want obviously be able to go through the batten, go through the panels, and at least 10mm of thread straight into the wooden building, at least. So they only really need to be 70mm long, but I've used what I've got available, and these are 80mm, and this will mechanically secure it onto the building. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hi again. Final part of the external DIY wall insulation project. What I've done is gone over the kiln dried sand protected polystyrene boards, they're 25mm thick, is to go over it with masonry paint. That's only been done to keep with the aesthetics of the rest of the building. It's not necessary for waterproofing. The kiln dried sand does that. But what we're doing just to keep in with the rest of the building is we've gone over today with masonry paint. The masonry paint seems to adhere to the wooden battens as well, and it adheres to the polystyrene boards. So we're just going off for really aesthetic reasons. We're just painting over it just to finish the project off. So thank you for watching. If you've watched all 3 parts, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please like, and please subscribe. Please put comments below. Thank you for watching.